Guys, I'm gonna show you how I did this pork belly grilled cheese sandwich coming up. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can get alerts on all the good stuff we're doing here today. Okay, so today we are doing the hashtag grilled cheese please challenge. Challenge, whatever. I got together with Cooking with Kory on this one, and we put it out to the world, and we decided we were going to do a grilled cheese sandwich collaboration with a bunch of other YouTube channels. So just like before, hit that hashtag that's shown underneath the video, and it'll take you to a page with all the other videos that did a grilled cheese please collaboration. All right. What I decided to do differently with my grilled cheese is I roasted some pork belly the other day. The video for that will be right here. And so I've cut that up, sliced it up real thin, got some nice bread, got some smoked Gouda, got some mozzarella, or we got some onions that I'm going to saute out on the Blackstone. All right, so come with me outside. We're gonna get set up. We're gonna do this on my Blackstone, my 17-inch Blackstone. It's gonna be a good time. All right, let's go outside. All right, I want to go through the ingredients for this grilled cheese please. Grilled cheese. So we got some smoked Gouda back there. We got a little pork belly. We got some mozzarella. So that's some artisanal potato bread. We got some butter for the griddle. Got some onions with a little of Kent from Daddy Dutch Cooking and Barbecue, his sweet heat rub. So we're gonna mix that with the onions to try to cut down the fatty bits of all that. All right, come on. All right, guys, we're gonna get these onions started. Got a little oil here. I'm gonna throw a little butter on too. Gonna work these through. Let them cook through until they get translucent. Okay, we got our onions working real good. Now we're gonna get our pork. We're gonna put a little more oil in the middle, and then another piece of butter, because butter makes everything better. It's like bacon. We're gonna turn down the heat a little bit. All right. Then we're gonna warm up this pork belly. Gonna get a nice caramelization on it, nice sear. Get that fat rendering out a little bit. It's gonna be good. Sorry for the lighting. It's a bit bright out here in the backyard. All right, guys, we got the pork belly all seared up and ready to go. Gonna push that to the side. Gonna add 2 more pats of butter so we can start doing the grilled cheese. Again, we're gonna turn this down low. We're gonna take our bread, just work on getting it nice and toasty. I'm gonna take some of this butter right here and just kind of tap it in here. This is not the healthy grilled cheese. I don't know if that's a thing or not. But we're gonna get both these sides toasted up and then add the cheese on it. So once I get the first side toasted, we'll flip it over, do the second side, and then add the cheese to the top that's toasted. All right, we got the first side going. Now we're gonna add our cheese to it. This is the smoked Gouda. Don't matter if some falls on the side. All right, we got our mozz. Gonna start melting it a little bit. We'll get this thing built. All right, guys. Oops, we're ready to build this bad boy up. We'll put our onions on one side. Pardon my reach. And our pork belly on the other side. Get this thing topped up. Whoa. Looking good. All right, come on back for the taste test. All right, guys, we're gonna cut into this bad boy. Let's see how we did. Ooh, look at that. Oh, are you seeing that? Look at all that ooey gooey goodness in there. All right, let's come on back for the taste test. All right, guys, I showed you how we put this thing together out on the Blackstone. Now we're gonna taste test this bad boy. We just cut it up, got you the cross section. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Look at this big old mass, dude. Mm. Mm. That's awesome. Whoa, that's good. Wow, that's good. The smoked Gouda, the roasted pork belly. Oh, the onions kind of cut through all that fat. Oh, so good. Give this one a try, guys. You guys can do it in a cast iron skillet if you don't have your own Blackstone. This is real easy to do. But if you don't have a Blackstone, I put a link below in the description and in the comment section for an Amazon link to get your own Blackstone. It doesn't cost you anything more to go through my link. Just kicks a little bit down for the channel. All right, this is awesome. I can't wait to get back to this. Thanks for stopping by. Oh yeah, and make sure you click on the hashtag below, grilled cheese please, and go watch everybody else and tell them I sent you. All right, again, thanks for stopping by, and thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care. That's good, man.